Welcome. If you want to transfer data from Huawei smartphone to your SONY Xperia one, for the first you have to get the application to transfer data, and I recommend you to get the application named CLONEit. So let's go for the Play Store, click on the search, type here CLONEit, and just get this application. If you finish download, just open on the both smartphones, click sender on the Huawei, click set, turn on location, and just go back. Click sender once again, and in your Xperia you have to click on the receiver, and right here we have to also turn on location. So click set, use the switcher, go back, and as you can see right here we are back in the settings, not in the application like in the Huawei. So we have to open the backgrounds application, swipe, and open this one. Go for the receiver, click on the search again. Right now just wait a little bit, and right now we have to click on this icon, Android share, and we got two ways to connect. We can scan the QR code, but also we can input this password manually. So we have to pick your way. I'm going to scan the code, accept the request, and right now if you want to send everything, just select all of these icons and click on the start. But if you want to get some details, for example you want to send one video or two photos or something like that, there will be an example on the music, so I'm going to unselect all of them because I only want to send these two songs. So select, click start, OK, and it's finished. So as you can see guys, it's very easy to send the data between two Android smartphones. In this case it is the Huawei P30 Pro on the left and the right SONY Xperia one. I hope that'll help you. If I do, remember to leave thumbs ups, comments, and of course subscribe to our channel. See you in the next videos.